In this video, I'll be revealing 16 of my favorite tools that affiliate marketers can use to excel in the modern day. For each of these tools, I'll be explaining what they are and how affiliate marketers are using them to make more money. If you go on to find this video useful, please consider clicking the like button, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. With that said, let's get straight into our list. First on this list, we have Genius Link, an intelligent link management service. Using the platform, creators can generate shortened or branded links with tons of powerful features built into them. Most notably for affiliate marketers, users can ensure that affiliate links will retain their tracking parameters, while Amazon links will automatically redirect users to the correct international storefront. Next up, we have ChatGPT. Unless you've been living under a rock these past couple of years, I'm confident that you've heard of this tool, but you might not be using it to your full potential. Affiliate marketers are using ChatGPT to create high quality blog posts, product reviews, and social media content at lightning speed. It can also help with content ideas, SEO optimization, meta description tags, and more. Number 3 on our list, ConvertKit is an email marketing tool made specifically for content creators. Like other email marketing tools, it hosts your email list and provides a suite of tools making it easy for you to grow. Highly recommended for all affiliate marketers who are using email marketing to promote their products. Affiliate is an affiliate analytics platform designed for publishers and content creators looking to track and optimize their affiliate marketing efforts in one place. Although it's not cheap, it's a powerful tool for those who want to get deep into the analytics and optimization of their websites. Ahrefs is an industry-leading SEO tool used by some of the world's largest brands, and it helps marketers conduct keyword research, competitor analysis, website audits, and a lot more. By using the data provided by Ahrefs, affiliates can be more informed on what content they should create, as well as track their progress over time. Impact.com is a leading affiliate marketing network and facilitates the interactions between merchants and affiliates. On the platform, there are 2 different login portals, one for merchants and the other for affiliates. Impact hosts some of the highest quality affiliate programs out there, like Apple, Microsoft, Walmart, and more, making it a great idea for affiliates to have an account with them. TubeBuddy is a browser extension and mobile app that helps YouTube creators to manage and optimize their channels. It helps to suggest video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. A really useful tool to improve search visibility and ranking on YouTube. We can see here if we search for affiliate marketing tools, the search volume is fair and the competition is poor. So what are we really doing? RankMath is an SEO plugin for WordPress websites designed to help optimize content for better search engine ranking. Additionally, RankMath integrates with Google Analytics and provides detailed analysis of website traffic and SEO effectiveness. If you're using WordPress to promote your affiliate products, this would be a great tool to help you do that. Clearscope is another SEO content optimization tool that helps writers and marketers rank higher on Google. The main feature Clearscope is known for is its keyword and entity recommendation features. Its intelligent algorithm scans the top results for a keyword and lists the words and phrases to include in an article based on what Google is rewarding in its search engine results pages. Again, a really useful tool for bloggers trying to promote affiliate products. Google Analytics is a free web analytics tool by Google that tracks and reports website traffic, providing insights into user behavior and engagement. It's arguably the most powerful tool out there for understanding what your website's users are doing. And seeing as it's free, it's a no-brainer for anyone using a blog to try and make affiliate sales. Link Whisper is a WordPress plugin designed to simplify and enhance the process of internal link building. It uses artificial intelligence to suggest relevant internal links, which helps to improve the SEO of a website. as well as user engagement. Internal linking has become key for SEO in the modern day, making Link Whisper a vital tool for affiliate marketers attempting to rank well in organic Google search results pages. Affiliatable is an on-page display builder for website owners and content creators. Affiliates can use the plugin to create comparison tables, product boxes, top picks, lists, and other visually appealing elements of a website. If you want your website to stand out from the crowd, this is a great tool to help you. Loom is a video tool that makes it easy for creators to film their screen and their webcam simultaneously and instantly share a link for collaborators to view. Loom videos can also be downloaded immediately, making it a great tool for filming affiliate tutorial videos. Camtasia is a comprehensive video editing software and screen recorder that offers various features for creating professional quality videos. While its screen recording facilities are similar to Loom in many ways, it also offers a powerful and creative video editing tool. With this tool, you can quickly and efficiently make some impressive YouTube videos promoting your affiliate products. Levanta.io is an affiliate marketing platform that allows for direct partnerships between Amazon sellers and publishers. Essentially, it lets you do affiliate marketing for Amazon products on top of the Amazon Associates program with custom commission rates, some as high as 30%, plus a longer 14-day cookie window. It has a direct partnership integration with Amazon, allowing Amazon sellers and publishers to partner directly. So if you want to promote Amazon products, I see no reason why you wouldn't want to use this tool to help you. And the final tool on my list is Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform that offers templates, design tools, and an impressively large library of images. Canva makes it easy for affiliates to create professional-looking visual content, whether that's thumbnails, featured images, or infographics. It has a free plan, and that can work fine for a lot of people. For those who want to go above and beyond, Canva Pro offers incredible value for money as well. So there you have it. There's your list of 16 fantastic tools that can help affiliate marketers to thrive in the modern day. Did I miss any? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video to be useful, do consider clicking the like button, sharing it with your friends, or subscribing to our channel. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.